Oh, I gotta walk away from it now. Unfortunately, it can't be completed. Got the cap on though. That's the important part. So far. I'll stick this back under the hood here. I really want to carry that stuff around. Little grass bushing there. What a headache. The engine's too big. That's what the real problem is. The engine's way too big for what it is. Close it up again, and I don't know. I have to get I have to spend more money. I've got to get a gasket set. I'm gonna take this one off. And I'm going to get one for the intake manifold. Can't remember what year this thing is. 97? Should be a build code on here. I cover up the VIN. 1197. Would have been a good idea, but table. You know, it'd be a good idea is to fix the power steering on this thing. That would be a really good idea. Always on the go, though. And no, I don't have pile. Look, got rid of the piles of money in there. I had people commenting, get rid of all the piles of money. You have a few pennies in here, though. Onwards. Where's my keys? You have to get a gasket for that thing. I have to get my kid. So I have to stop my day to take care of parent duties, which people don't understand. Why do you have for? Because I want to get that stuff done, but you know, I'm not going to buy it. You choose to hold out, you're damn right, man. You know why? I don't know where my next meal is coming from, so to speak. I don't know what that guy's going to do with all that. Time to get the little bunchkin. You know what? I was thinking I should have them move that concrete right there if they can and put that by the compound. Make a sweet little dock out of that. Oh, this crazy guy. Those guys crackers.